Welcome to Vision Academy. Today's current affairs English. Date 23rd May 2019. Let us start with national news updates. Seeking to ensure a decent funnel for the poor, the civic body in Karimnagar city of Telangana will launch a scheme next month under which last rites can be performed for just 1 rupee. The Atum Yatra Akri Safar would be launched on June 15th and Rs 1.10 crores has already been allotted for the initiatives, which should take care of the funeral as per the religious customs of deceased. Please to remember, the civic body Karimnagar city of Telangana will launch a scheme which would provide the poor with a decent last funeral for Rs 1. Next news. A report by the United Nations says India's economy is projected to grow at 7.1% in the fiscal year 2020. The report says that the Indian economy expanded by 7.2% in 2018. As the strong domestic consumption and investment will continue to support the growth, which will projected as 7.0% in 2019 and 7.1% in 2020. Keys to remember. UN report says that Indian economy is projected to grow at 7.1% in the fiscal year 2020. The strong domestic consumption and investment will support this growth. Next, let us see international news updates. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, World Bank, and Commonwealth Bank (CBA) have enabled a secondary market trading record on the blockchain for Bond I, making this the first bond whose issuance and trading are recorded using distributed ledger technologies. Keys to remember. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and Commonwealth Bank have enabled secondary market trading recorded on blockchain for Bond I. Next, let us see science and tech updates. Indian Space Research Organization has successfully launched its Earth observation satellite RISAT-2B from Sriharikota. ISRO's trusted launcher PSLV C-46 carrying the RISAT-2B blast off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. RISAT-2B meant for application in fields such as surveillance, agriculture, forestry and disaster management support. PSLV C-46 carrying RISAT-2B to the space. Keys to remember. ISRO has successfully launched its Earth observation satellite RISAT-2B from Sriharikota. PSLV C-46 carrying RISAT-2B to the space. Next, let us see economy news updates. The State Bank of India has announced a strategic partnership with FMCG arm of Art of Living, Shri Tattva. YONO users can avail a discount of 15% on the entire range of products offered. The product offered by Shri Tattva includes food, personal care, healthcare, home care, bio-ghee, appraisal, and Shankara skincare products. Keys to remember. The SBI announced their partnership with FMCG and Arms of Art of Living, Shri Tattva. The YONO users can have up to 15% discount. Next news. Richest Indian Mukesh Ambani's oil to telecom conglomerate Reliance Industries has topped the state-owned Indian oil crop to become the country's biggest company by revenue. Reliance in the 2018 to 2019 fiscal year that ended March 31st reported a turnover of Rs 6.23 lakh crores. Keys to remember. Mukesh Ambani's oil to telecom conglomerate Reliance Industries has topped the state-owned Indian oil crop and becomes India's biggest company by revenue. Next, let us see important days. The International Day for Biological Diversity is a United Nations and sanctioned international day for the promotion of biodiversity issues. It is currently held on May 22nd. The International Day for Biological Diversity to increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity issues. The theme of 2019 International Day for Biological Diversity is Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health. Keys to remember: the International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on 22nd May. The theme of 2019 is Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health. To have a daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy and don't forget to press the bell button below. And if you think the video is informative, like this video, share this video, comment below for the doubts.